Remember the last time that someone truly understood an inexpressibly important part of your life? Remember the elation and mystery wrapped up in that moment of connection? Well, what if you could provide that same experience for your guests? You can, by bringing typewriter poets to your event. With our antique machines, we craft poetry on the spot, based on whatever topics your guests choose. Whether writing about beloved pets, silver anniversaries, desert rain, or a favorite city, your guests will love the memorable connection of a handcrafted poem. Contact us today to add a whimsical layer of delight to your event. We do weddings, corporate events, and all kinds of parties.